Right now we are walking to Kawasan Falls. You guys, I'm slowly dying, but it's okay. Because it's all worth it, right? But look at the view though. It is so pretty. But I think it's like a mile up. Like a 30-minute walk, right? The water's so pretty though. Look at it, like, my gosh. 10 days later, we're still stuck in the desert. In the jungle. Walang tubig. There's so many dogs here. Hello. Hello. We're so close to the falls. Finally, actually the walk wasn't that bad because a lot of it is shaded, but it's going to be amazing. I fell over. Hi, Mom. Really scared. Let's go home. Level 3. Oh my god. Did you have fun, Mom?
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Now we're on our way walking to McDonald's. My cousin is taking us there. Rhea, say hi. It's pretty cool to walk around here. I don't know if you can hear me though because it's super, super loud. But it's an interesting experience to see how everyone drives.
Don't wait us down. Don't respond my hope. Don't wait us down.
Trying to cross the street. I don't know how this is gonna work.
Before we get it.
You have to go in the middle. Fine. Oh my god. So we just crossed the street, but it wasn't that bad because Rhea helped us. Otherwise, we'd be stuck there forever. Crossing the street again. Oh yes. Oh my god. Crossing the street. What's up with it? Oh my god.
Go.
Rhea's the only one that keeps walking. You don't slow down.
That was fun. See, even the Disney had a hard time.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, it happened so fast. I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready, but it was so much fun. I loved it. That is the way to travel, you guys. If you've never been on a jeepney, you have to try it. It's fine. So right now we are at El Salvador. There's Nicole. There's Rhea. And we haven't been here since like 13 years ago, and it's been a long time. I don't remember anything.
Stop it.
Yeah. Surprised it's warmer than the hot tub over there that my sister and I went in. But it's okay.
It can be our hangout.
Okay, let's go. We're under the waterfall. Bye.
It's all water. Oh my nose.
Cool. Just like old times.
Where's the kitty at?
Keep this for memories. We got some spaghetti, lumpia, chicken, and of course the rice in a little plastic thingy. It looks like a burger, but it's actually rice. Where are you in it? Oh, but yeah, I'm so excited. Are you so excited? I'm so excited. Let's go eat.
Mommy, you should have said no mayo.
Oh yeah. You're such a loser. Whatever, go. Try the fry. Try the fry. Oh my god.